Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link searches in TikTok comments. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to open the comments on the For You page, and here you can find so let me show you. Here you can see that this person use at the rate, but sometimes you can see comments with only the name of the person like this, and basically that person is using a feature that is new on TikTok. To You can simply tag or you can simply add comments, and once someone click on that, he will load onto that person profile. So let me show you. So basically this feature is now in beta version, and by clicking on that you will land onto the person profile, but you not need to mention at the rate of. You simply need to mention the name like let me check. We can do that maybe, but here you can see we not see an option of searches, but sometimes you can comment, and it basically decide by the TikTok algorithm, and hopefully this feature will be rolled out in the future and you will get this feature. So you need to wait for that. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.